Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about printing. And basically I just want to say that I print things using the graphical user interface. Okay, I don't use the command line to do my printing. I just use the graphical user interface of the application I'm using to print whatever I want to print. However, if you do want to use command line tools in order for you to print out things, you can check out the chapter which is titled Printing in the book by William Schatz, which is called the Linux command line. And I think you'll be able to actually see the exact chapter name in the video description, which usually contains references. Okay? And so, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. I know this is a very short video, but look, I just print out my stuff using the graphical user interface. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you'll subscribe and talk to you in the next tutorial.